Thank you for joining me. Welcome to TJ's Maths Clinic. Still on sequence and series. With us here is example 5 under arithmetic progression. Let's look at how we can handle this together. The question read, if 8, x, y, z, 32 is an arithmetic progression, we are asked to find the value of x, y, and z. This 8 here is our first term, x here is the second term, y here is the third term, z here is the fourth term, 32 here is the fifth term. Let's write down the solution and see how we can handle this. Here we are talking about arithmetic progression. The first term, A, is giving us 8. How many numbers do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our n, which is number of times now, is 5. Then T5 is given, which is the fifth term now, which is 32. Then common difference is not given. Okay, we need common difference to find the value of x, y, and z. T5, using the nth term now, the nth term of AP is giving us nth term now will be equals to a plus n minus 1 multiplied by the common difference. So T5 now, when n is 5 now will be T5 now will be equals to a plus 4 minus 1 times d. T5 now will be equals to a minus 3 minus 4 d, because 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 times d is 4d. Okay, so we use this concept. Since we know our T5, we substitute, and we know our first term as 8. So in place of this now, to find the common difference now, we'll have 32 will now be equals to a, which is the first term, is 8 minus 4d, since we are looking for the common difference. Let's collect like time. This is minus 4d, but take it to the left, it will be 4d will be equals to 8 minus 32. Very important. Okay, sorry, here supposed to be plus, because 5 minus 1 is 4 times d, that's 4d. So here supposed to be plus 4d. So let's collect like time. This will be 32 minus 8 equals to 4d. Okay, 32 minus 8, that will be 24. So we have 24 will be equals to 4d. I hope we are together. To find d now, we divide both sides by the coefficient of d, which is 4. So let's divide both sides by 4. Divide both sides by 4. This will divide this, we're left with d. That's the common difference. 24 divided 4 is 6. So if the common difference is 6, we can easily find the value of x and y and z. Very important, because this common difference d is nothing but T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2, T4 minus T3, T5 minus T4. Very important. And since we know common difference as 6, we can easily find the common difference d now is T2 minus T1. T2 here is x. So in place of this d, we want to find x. And in place of this d, we put 6, will now be equals to T2 is x minus the first term, which is 8. So we can easily find x here now. Let's collect like times. X now will be 6 plus 8. So x will be 14. So x is 14. So if x is 14, we can easily find y and z. Let's move here to achieve that. Okay? To find y now, we know that the common difference d is nothing but third term minus the second term. D is given as 6. That will be 6 will be equals to our third term here is y minus our second term, which is x now, is 14. So we can put 14 here. Then collect like times. Y now will be equals to 6. This is minus, crossing the equal sign, it will be plus 14. So y now will be equals to 20. Very important. Let's find the last unknown, which is z now. To find z now, we relate fourth term minus the third term. D now, fourth term minus the third term. D is 6. Then the third term, which is y, is 20. So it will be T4, which is z now, minus 20. We collect like times. Z now will be equals to, we transfer this minus 20 to the other side, it will become plus. That will be 6 plus 20. Then Z now is 26. Very important. So X is 14, Y is 20, and Z is 26. We are asked to find the value of X, Y, Z. So these are the solution. X is 14, Y is 20, Z is 26. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to TJ's Maths Clinic for more interesting video. In my next video, God's willing, we'll look at more examples from sequence and series. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.